Hey you guys, we're gonna go ahead and make some Christmas gift mugs or containers. I picked up these at Starbucks and it has the lid with the wrapper already. I thought this would be great to give two of my nieces for Christmas because they love their coffee and they love their Starbucks, so I thought that is a perfect gift. So let's go ahead and fill these up with some goodies. So the first thing I'm going to add is a little bit of the red shred to give it a little Christmassy vibe. And then that would be cool. Because that's going to give it a little more Christmassy touch to it. So I'm going to go ahead and add the, first thing I'm going to add is the Beauty Benefits Beauty Blush. So that's it. And I have another one here. Look at the color on that. Isn't that pretty? So we're going to add it right into the container. The next thing I'm going to add is this candy. Look how cute these are. These are little candy stuffers. I thought this would be perfect to give it a little Christmassy touch here. So the thing is to be able to close it up. So I want to be able to close it up when I am ready to close it, because that's how I'm going to just close it up. The next thing I am adding are these lip glosses, liquid. And let me see if it says the color here. They are metallic lipsticks. Number 938A and number Honey Glaze 960. So this is satin sheets. Satin sheets. And this one is Honey Glaze. Let me see if it could focus. Look how pretty those colors are. Aren't they gorgeous? They could use them for New Year's. Look how pretty that is. So I'm going to go ahead and add one to each. I'm going to go ahead and add the Wet n Wild. And this is a trio eyeshadow. So I picked this up in the rose. And they actually had quite a few of them. They had two more different ones that I did post on my Instagram. So if you want to go check that out, go check out my Instagram. But this is the 1110039 Rose. Limited edition for Wet n Wild, and I picked these up at the dollar store and I thought they were so gorgeous. So if you find these, pick them up. They're great for New Year's or just an everyday look. They have that beautiful pink right there, if you can see. Then they have the little glitter. This is like a rose gold. This is like a pink. They're all pink, so they're really pretty. So if you get your hands on them, go ahead and pick them up. You're going to want to give them away for Christmas. You can even put these in their stocking stuffers. So we're going to put this in here. Just like that. Now this is so cute. You can add whatever you want to it. You can add a gift card. You can add money. This is just a little cute gift for my nieces. And they're going to close up really nice. This is a great idea as well for a teacher. And they actually close up really pretty. And there you go. You have a simple, affordable gift to give a teenager. You know how they love their Starbucks, or anybody who loves Starbucks would love to get this, full of goodies. You can add chocolate, you can add money, you can add a gift card, you can add whatever you want. Look at the top of it. So cute. I'm sure they're going to love it. Simple, affordable. If you want to make it more expensive, add $100 in there, add a gift card, add money, add jewelry. You can add anything you want to it. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the Dollar Tree bags, and you get two for $1 at Dollar Tree. And these are just the plain red. I thought it would go really nice with the cups. Now if you want to make it more Christmassy, you can add a bow to the cup. You can add a little red bow or anything you want to it. But look how cute that is. Now, if you want to put tissue on there, you can also put a tissue. It's up to you. But they look adorable like that. Now, I think I'm going to add a little bit of the tissue on the top just so they can't see the gift. But I think this is a cute idea for Christmas. Just add your tissue on the top. Just like that. But yeah, go ahead and make something for somebody. Let me know how it came out. If you get your hands on these reusable Starbucks mugs, go ahead and let me know what you put in yours. But these are perfect. They're going to be for 2 teenage girls. Just a little side gift. I don't have them for Christmas, but I decided to give them something. And I'm sure they're going to love this idea. Merry Christmas. Bye, you guys. Until next time.